Alright, I haven't done a video in a while, but I've been working pretty steady trying to get this stove properly installed. I had it installed for a while, had it plumbed through the wall right there, but that was kind of not very good. So now I've got her set up to put a hole out through the ceiling there, and this is just to show the first part of it. I've got that 2x3 screwed to the wall there, and I got this 3/4 inch threaded rod. I drilled some holes through these 2x4s right here and suspended them from the trusses, and I'll show you the next part in a bit. Okay, so here's the next part. The whole purpose of this entire process here now is to build a ceiling support, something to support those great big friggin' stovepipes. And so this is what this is right here. I welded this together this morning over Dad's, and this is going to sit on top of that rigging back there, and then the chimney is going to sit right in here. It was kind of fun. I hadn't welded in a while, so that weld right there turned out pretty darn good. But out of the 8 welds, that's the best. And as you can imagine, there's some of them. That one there's not so bad. That's not so pretty. That's not too pretty. That's not too pretty. Anyway, that being said, it was a lot of fun. I hadn't welded in a few years, so that's what you get if you only weld once a year or so. Okay, so there's that ceiling support sitting on top of that wooden 2x3 and that metal rod. And so now I'm gonna do a little bit of work with the level to make sure that the stovepipe is going to be 2 inches off of that wood, which is combustible. And I can't remember really if this 2-inch Selkirk chimney is 1 inch or 2 inch clearance to combustibles, but don't worry about it too much. Just sheds, not a living space. I'll put her a couple inches off. So I used this chunk of 2-inch sidewall, 7-inch diameter Selkirk to draw this thing on cardboard circle, and I used that piece of cardboard to kind of scribble a rough circle up there, a little bit wider than the cardboard, about 1 inch, and I'm going to cut that out with the angle grinder, and I think that'll work. Alright, so just a quick one here. I got that hole cut out in the ceiling, and I used the 4-foot level there, and got that frame all lined up so that if I put a pipe right in here, it's going to line up with the hole. So I'll get that done. I'll get back. That was a job. I don't know why those pieces of pipe, they've been through a house fire, and I have no idea how heavy they are when they're new or what, but that thing is friggin' heavy. So to get that wrestle that thing up there on that Jesus ladder and stick it up through that hole might not be a big job for a bigger man, but holy suffering, that's one pile of friggin' lugging. And I take that thing all down so I can put that T in underneath it, because eventually that T is going to go on the bottom, and then it's going to plumb straight down to the wood stove, and then from the T it's going to come over here and go down to the forge. So, but I just want to get this thing going. I'll get the forge in here later. So I'm going to go and get the chimney cap on her. Or maybe, I don't know, I'm going to do something. Alright, so there's the chimney sticking up through that hole in the roof, not sticking up too far. Got to get that T underneath it. The T is 16 inches high, so that'll get her up there a little bit further. Far enough to put that flashing on. And I think I'll just leave her like that for now. Finish her up tomorrow.